Comrades in cap.
Before you waste too much of your
time. Comrade, come now.
Yeah, before you waste too much of your time.
Where are the comrades? Where are come?
This is something planned by the IG. Give the impression that.
Please give us a minute.
Hold on.
Let me say. You will talk, please. You will talk.
Hold on. Let me talk. I've been expecting this nonsense from them since I was attacked yesterday morning by 6 a.m. They even came here, and I know that the next thing they will do is to try and bring the press. We'll create the impression that I'm doing fine. Are you getting my point? There is no basis for my arrest in the first place. There's no basis for my attack in the first place. There's no basis for any citizen in Nigeria to be arrested by the IG because the IG feels threatened by the legality of the position. This shows to you that Nigeria is headed by headless people.
Okay, hold on.
So,
hold on,
I
please.
just want you to know that all this is unnecessary. What should have been done is what they don't know what to do, which is to swallow their pride, release me from detention, apologize to me, and ensure that I can go for proper treatment. But they want to hide it. Since I came here yesterday, they broke my hand. They have not been able to bring a doctor. They went and brought a nurse. Instead of them bringing a doctor, they want and brought the media now. This is all part of the nonsense your IG and Tinubu
based on
and all these foolish people are doing with Nigeria.
Based on the request from
and I hope that you can take the material
based on
and go back. Nobody requested for media. They are the ones who brought you. And I was expecting it, and I've been expecting it.
Hold on,
This
please.
is the height of foolishness on
we
the part
have
of
it on record.
The IGP
based on
and the President of Nigeria. I'm ashamed of the President of Nigeria that under his watch, Nigeria has become this kind of foolish theater. Are you getting my point?
Okay, so I think we are done.
I think you are done. And I told the Commissioner of Police who brought you that he didn't need to subject himself to this review.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. We are done, please. We are done. Please respect the purpose of this interview.
The Nigerian police have no integrity. As you
we are done.
That's why they brought the media here. They want to use you to do that.
We are done, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We are
Drama is not flowing according to that.
This way.
I would go past it because of the death. That was for the only people. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I don't think you don't make people come on.